open OrionNet, and we're going to add a new job. So you enter your job name, select your operator, well name, API, and job type. Click Finish, and OrionNet is now tracking live data from your unit. So after starting a job in OrionNet, you can then jump over to Max Completions. Under Operations, you click Jobs, and here we will have job XYZ. Let's say that our unit computer restarts, but we want to continue the same job that we were just on. Momentarily, this job XYZ in Max Completions will appear as completed. So instead of having to start a new job and piecing it together, OrionNet gives us the option to continue a job. So here we're showing XYZ just to show you it appears as completed. We will come back over on the unit computer, open up OrionNet, and instead of selecting Add New, third option down is to continue. So we can continue the same job that we were just on, and our dashboard in Max Completions will remain flawless, as will OrionNet will continue tracking. So here you click Continue. The information that we had entered before auto-populates. You click Finish, and that's all you have to do. OrionNet continues tracking the same job, and in Max Completions, that same job will appear as active once again, in progress. So let's say that we want to schedule a job so that it appears in OrionNet. Here from the Max Completions Jobs dashboard, you click Operations, Spread Management, come over to Equipment, and we're going to add a spread. So we're going to name this spread XYZ123. Our district will be Argentina because that's what's assigned to my unit computer. We have our service line, and then here I will search for my equipment. Fans unit. We will assign that equipment to the spread, save the spread. Now we can come to Operations, Jobs, add a job. We will select our spread, XYZ123. It auto fills in the district, the service line. We then just have to select our job type, our job name, and we have our operator. We're going to bump the date out. We never need to touch the actual start date. That will be controlled by OrionNet when Max starts ingesting data. And our virtual unit will appear as well. So this is the minimum information you need to add a job. So we've added our job. Now from the unit computer, once again, we come to OrionNet, and instead of selecting Add New, and instead of selecting Continue, we will select from a menu of scheduled jobs. So we come to Scheduled, and there we go. Job 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our operator appears. Our well name, our API, select our job name, job type, and there we go. We've just started a scheduled job that was entered into Max Completions in OrionNet. So then when you come back to your jobs landing page in Max Completions, your scheduled job has started. You didn't have to adjust the starting date based on starting earlier or later. And there we go. Scheduled start date stays the same. Actual start date changes to the actual date and time that OrionNet started ingesting and transferring data. that point, you can enter all of the remaining pertinent information to have a complete job file. So that is how you add a new job, continue a job, manage a spread to schedule a job in Max Completions.